Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Abdullah channel. Today in our channel we're going to do a very different variety of vlog. That is actually we're going to go out after 6 months. Literally after 6 months. So over here actually lockdown is eased, but still I'm not going to take my child out. I'm just going to show him inside the car itself, because I don't know whether it's safe for the children to travel or what, because over here when I see in the road and in the shops people are coming with children, but still I am scared. So it's better to stay safe. So I am letting my son to stay inside the car and I am going to go inside the shop. Literally all the items are between 1 to 10. So let's go and see the shop. This is a shop. It's day to day. We didn't get parking outside, so we have parked in day to day shop itself. So of course we have to buy something, otherwise it's 10 dirhams per hour. So better we buy something. So now we are going inside. My husband and son are staying in the car. We are going to go to the shop alone and take video and just buy something and come back. Let's go inside. So literally we are first in the toys section. That is the cars and the boys kind of variety. It's full of model cars, battery cars, and remote cars are a little bit less. We don't have much remote cars over here. But still, in this place, actually in day to day or gift village or anywhere where you go, there's 1 to 10 shops. It's better for all the decoration items, for toys, hair accessories like clips and varieties of bands. And these kinds of stuffs are very good over here. And especially the stationery items, you'll get a lot of stationery items. Party items also, the party plates, tumblers, and different kinds of tissue papers and the balloons and stuff. So these kinds of stuffs are more possible over here, and small decor items. But if you talk about shampoos or baby products or clothing and stuffs, I don't recommend much, bags and all. It's just toys or playing things, stationery items, coloring things and all. It's good. These cases are very nice. This is actually the makeup case. This is actually very good. And these are the makeup accessories like brush, sponges, scissors, mirrors, etc. Actually, this shop is in Sharjah, and not only in Sharjah, you have variety of places. This is actually for the big people section, like big children's playing games. The normal mugs. We have decors like organizers over here. That is very nice and stuff. In this shop, the decoration items were a little bit less, and the most probable thing is it was so much crowded, literally so much crowded that I couldn't take the video properly. So please, I'm literally sorry for the inconvenience, but still next time when I'm taking a video, I'll be perfect, and let's pray that we go in a time where there is not much crowd. I thought maybe in this time there won't be crowd, so we can go and take video, because the lockdown is also not there now. But my assumption was wrong. Lot of people and lot of children were there. I didn't expect at all. But I am not taking my son anywhere. They have to be safe. So probably if any one of you go out shopping or something, the best thing is after coming back home, it's good to take a bath and wash the clothes. Usually after I returned back home, I washed all the clothes and I took a bath. So these are all the silver items and stuffs like saucepan, milk pan, and stuff like that. At the end of this vlog, I'll show you how much crowd is there in the shop, like in the counter. Please do enjoy this video till that. And plastic items, we have to talk about the plastic item. Is really very nice over here, like storage, like like what to say, the small plastic items. I won't talk about the big ones. These are ceramics. Just we have ceramic plates and bowls over here. Usually when I come to the shop, I won't buy anything like shampoos or powders and stuff like that. I just buy like kids playing things, toys, some accessories that is not available outside, like bathroom stuffs and like the small decor items and all will be nice over here. Some appliances for kitchen. These are all the clips that is available for drying cloths, brushes. We have all the bathroom cleaning items, sponges and stuff over here. So usually I come for that little bit decor items, or like for presentation for the video, some glasses and all stuff, so you get it over here. So it will be nice, you can get it in a cheaper rate. These are artificial flowers, of course for decoration. But usually in my house, if you see in this apartment where I am, we don't keep much decoration items. We don't have anything literally, because having small kid at home, always running around the house, we won't be able to keep anything with that specifically. So I don't usually buy any decoration items to the house. Simply for kitchens, just for showing videos and stuff, I buy something. Other than that, I never buy anything. Literally we come here to buy. Sometimes for birthday celebrations we come. Otherwise, just when we are changing home, to buy all the supplies, like mat, buckets and stuff, you'll get it over here in cheaper rate. So we come here. Actually the shop which I have come here is really very close to my house. We can walk and come. But this is a little bit smaller one compared to the rest. We have bigger ones outside. Over there you get a lot of more varieties. But we have come which is closer to our house, so that it is easy for us to return back. This shop is actually 1 to 10. In Dubai we have day-to-days, and it is like literally little more costlier items will be available. In that, purse, bags and all are a little bit better and good, because it is little more costlier than what it is. It is like more than 20s and stuff are there over there, and it will be even more different from what you see over here. Each and every 1 to 10 shop is different in some way. They have some things will be available over here and the other things will be available over there. That will be like a mixed. Stationery items are really superb. Everyone can consider stationery item. Really, I love the stationery in this shop. I love those glittery scrapbooks and stuff. So nice. These are all storybooks. Literally what I bought from the shop to go out is, I bought one book that teaches 1 to 3, which is almost 3 dirhams or something, and one duck toy which makes sound. Actually that is 4 dirhams. Literally I bought just for 7 dirhams and I went out. And if we don't buy anything, then the parking amount for 1 hour is 10 dirhams. So I just purchased for 7 dirhams, and it took almost 1.5 hours to get out of the shop. These are all completely stationaries. This is pencil cases for kids and for bigger people. Pouches are also there. Sharpeners, erasers, varieties of sharpeners. There are so many kinds. When I was studying, I never saw these kinds of sharpeners, but now it's available in a variety. Even I studied in Sharjah, but still at that time we didn't have this much of varieties at that time. But now people have so much varieties in all stuffs. And literally, I couldn't believe there are 10 sections of slippers. Almost one section is full of boys' chappals, boys' shoes, boys' canvas, ladies' slippers, homey slippers, bathroom slippers, shoes, canvas, ladies' shoes, kids' shoes, girl kids, boys' kids, like this different sections, almost more than 10, I think so. And there are literally one layer of socks everywhere. In each and every section starting there is socks. I think all the chappals are really nice over here. Shoes. I bought one shoe before, almost I think 1.5 years back for my son, and it was good. She has so many. See the crowd. Oh my god. Literally people are inside also, and this is the 9 counters filled with people. I hope so this video was enjoyable. If you want to see more videos like this, the only thing you have to do is like, share to all your friends, comment, subscribe, and please do press the bell icon. Sorry for the inconvenience in the footages because I was not able because the crowd was so much. Literally the next video will be even more perfect. Until then, it's me signing out. Have a good day. Meet you all in the next video. Bye friends. Take care.